Hi, my name is Estelle, and this is my coat of arms. It represents my personality. At the bottom of my shield, I have drawn the ocean with fishes. The ocean is black because I'm afraid of it, and black is a symbol of fear. The fish are red because it's a symbol of passion, and I really like sea animals. On the top left it says Girona because that's where I live. The font and the background are pink and yellow because I like pink and yellow. The house is blue because it gives me security, and blue represents security. Next to what I just explained to you, I have drawn a world with flags. The background is yellow because I want to earn money to travel around the world, because yellow represents money and gold. Here I have drawn a cat because I love cats. Cat is pink, even that I like pink. And the background is blue because a cat helps me security, and blue represents security. Hi, come on, we are about to finish. On the left I have drawn a sunset because they give me peace of mind. The yellow, blue and orange colors are because they go well with the sunset. The white background is because the sunset helps me peace, and the white color represents peace. Finally, in the center, I have drawn myself playing volleyball because I love it. The background is yellow and blue because I want to earn money playing volleyball, and volleyball gives me security. Yellow represents money and blue represents security. Hello again. Did you like it? Perfect. See you again. Bye.